everyone. So in this video, we will discuss some MCQs about the different phylums of the animal kingdom. As we know, the animal kingdom is divided into different phylums which are starting from the Protozoa, then Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and this forms the animal kingdom part 1, and the animal kingdom part 2 is formed of the hemichordata and the chordata group. The chordata group itself is divided into pisces, amphibia, reptiles and aves and mammals. So first we will discuss some MCQs about the phylum Protozoa. The first question is, the study of microscopic animals like Plasmodium, amoeba, etc. is called option 1 virology, option 2 parasitology, option 3 protozoology, and option 4 pathology. As we know, Plasmodium and amoeba, they are the protozoans. So the answer to this question is protozoology. Next question is, contractile vacuole in protozoans primarily serve for excretion, water circulation, osmoregulation or water absorption. So the answer is osmoregulation. The third question is, protists obtain their foods as photosynthesizers only, chemosynthesizer only, holotrophs only, photosynthesizers, holotrophs and symbionts. So the answer to this question is fourth option, photosynthesizer, holotrophs and symbionts. The fourth question is, pseudopodia commonly form in first amoeba only, second a variety of protozoans only, third a variety of protozoans and leukocytes, fourth amoeba and leukocytes. So the answer to this question is a variety of protozoans and leukocytes. As we all know, pseudopodia help in locomotion, so protozoans and leukocytes. Next is fifth question. Match first list and list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1 has the animals and list 2 has the organs of locomotion. The animals are paramecium, mussel, trypanosoma, tube worms, and the organs of locomotions are parapodia, flagellum, foot, cilia or the tube feet. Then the first option is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 1, D is equal to 5. Second is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 4. Third is A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 1. And option fourth, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 4, D is equal to 3. The answer to this question is option 3. That is A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 1. And the correct options are paramecium by cilia, mussel by foot, trypanosoma by flagellum and tube worms by parapodia. So the next question is, contractile vacuole is present in paramecium, euglena, amoeba or all of these. The answer to this question is all of these. Contractile vacuole is present in all of the above. Next question, seventh. Which of the following is the main function of the contractile vacuole? We all know the function of the contractile vacuole is the osmoregulation. So osmoregulation, excretion, respiration or reproduction. The correct answer is osmoregulation. Next is question number 8. Protozoans respire through mitochondria, contractile vacuole, pseudopodia or general body surface. The answer to this question is fourth, general surface. Next is ninth question. Examples of bioluminescent protozoans is paramecium, opalina, entamoeba or noctiluca. We all know noctiluca is a bioluminescent protozoan. So the answer is noctiluca. Next is 10th question. Euglena contains chlorophyll, yet it resembles animal because it is first option reproduce like animals, respires like animals, possesses a contractile vacuole, or feeds like an animal in the absence of sunlight? So the answer to this question is feeds like animal in the absence of sunlight. Next is 11th question. Which of the following protozoans depict the characteristics of both plants and animals? Entamoeba, Paramecium, Monocystis, or Volvox? As we all know, Volvox is the right answer. So the next question is which class of protozoans includes all parasitic forms? Mastigophora, Ciliata, Sporozoa, or Sarcodina? So we know Sporozoa is the correct answer for this question. Next is locomotory organs are absent in Sporozoa, Ciliates, Rhizopoda, or Zooflagellates. And the answer to this is Sporozoa. As we know, ciliates, rhizopods, and zooflagellates all have the all locomotory organs, but Sporozoa lacks locomotory organs. Next is pseudopodia of amoeba are important for feeding only, locomotion only, feeding and locomotion, or the fourth, offense. The answer to this is feeding and locomotion. Amoeba uses its pseudopodia to feed and to locomote. Next question is a common attribute of amoeba and WBCs of vertebrates. Pseudopodia formation, contractile vacuole, independent life, or holozoic nutrition. As we all know, they both have one thing in common, that is the formation of the pseudopodia. So the answer is first option, pseudopodia formation. Then the next question is digestion of the undigested food in amoeba takes place through circumvallation, pinocytosis, a temporary rupture of the surface membrane, a hyaline cap formed at its advancing end. So the answer to this is a temporary rupture of the surface membrane. 17th question. While doing some experiments with amoeba proteus in the culture media, it was found that the contractile vacuole of protozoans disappeared although the other organelles showed the normal activity. This must happen most probably due to first a change in temperature of the medium, second a change in pH of the medium, third dilution of the medium by tap water, or dilution of the medium with seawater. So if we take a amoeba in a culture media, the contractile vacuole of the protozoan disappeared. So it can only happen if place it in a hypertonic solution which has more of the salt amount. So the option which is correct for this answer is dilution of the medium with seawater. Then next question is during unfavorable conditions amoeba reproduces through first is binary fission, second budding, third multiple fission, or fourth conjugation. So in unfavorable conditions amoeba can reproduce through multiple fissions. 19th question. In amoeba the reproduction is unfavorable condition. In unfavorable condition three layered cyst structures formed. This is called sporulation, encystment, conjugation, or regeneration. In unfavorable conditions, when a three-layered cyst is formed around the amoeba, it is called encystment. So the answer is second option, encystment. This is for the phylum Protozoa. Rest will be in the next video. Thank you. This is the part 2 of the video of phylum Protozoans. 20. Entamoeba histolytica is found in man in colon, small intestine, oral cavity, or stomach. The answer is colon. 21. Entamoeba histolytica does not have or differs from amoeba in the absence of nucleus, contractile vacuole, food vacuole, or pseudopodia. Contractile vacuole is absent in Entamoeba. So, second option, contractile vacuole. 22. How many nuclei are found in the mature cyst of Entamoeba coli or E. coli? 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 8, or fourth, none of these. So the answer is 8. We can find as many as 8 nuclei in the mature cyst of E. coli. 23. Contractile vacuoles are characteristic osmoregulatory organelle of protozoans. Which protozoan does not have such a vacuole? Amoeba, Euglena, Entamoeba histolytica has, or Paramecium? The answer is Entamoeba histolytica has. Option 3. 24. How many young amoeba hatched out from cyst of Entamoeba histolytica? 1, 2, 4, 6. Answer is 1. Only one amoeba is hatched. 25. Which of the following does not spread disease? Entamoeba coli, Entamoeba histolytica, Entamoeba gingivalis, Plasmodium ovale. Answer is Entamoeba coli. E. coli, as it is found in human intestine, but still it does not spread any disease or cause any harm to the humans. So E. coli, first option. 26. Which one resides in the mouth of the human beings? Entamoeba histolytica, Amoeba proteus, Entamoeba coli, Entamoeba gingivalis. Answer is Entamoeba gingivalis. It is found in the mouth of the human beings. 27. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium, mosquito, Trypanosoma, Trichomonas. We all know malaria is caused by Plasmodium. So first, Plasmodium. 28. The secondary host of Plasmodium is male Culex, male Anopheles, female Anopheles, or female Culex. Answer is female Anopheles. Anopheles mosquito is the secondary host of the Plasmodium, and especially the female, cause it sucks blood from the humans. 29. The stages of Plasmodium infective to man and injected into human body by mosquito is trophozoite, merozoite, sporozoite, or cyst. Answer is sporozoite. The stage where humans are affected by the Plasmodium occurs at sporozoite stage, from where it enters the human body through the bite of the mosquito. 30th. The substance that causes malaria fever and is accumulated in developing trophozoites of Plasmodium by degradation of hemoglobin in RBCs of human host. Options are heme, second globin, third hematine, fourth hemozone. Answer is hemozone. 31. Malarial fever coincides with liberation of trophozoites, merozoites, cryptomerozoites, or metacryptomerozoites. And the answer to this is merozoites. When the merozoites are released or liberated, that cause the reoccurrence of the malarial fever. 32. The stage of Plasmodium when mosquito is infective. First, sexual state or gametogamy. Second, pre-erythrocytic cycle. Third, ex-erythrocytic stage, or none of these. And the answer is pre-erythrocytic cycle or the stage. 33. African sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma gambiensis and transmitted by Glossina palpalis. Second, Entamoeba gingivalis and transmitted by housefly. Third, Plasmodium vivax and transmitted by CC fly. Fourth, Trypanosoma levis and transmitted by bedbug. First option is the correct answer. Trypanosoma gambiensis and transmitted by Glossina palpalis. Next is 34th. Secondary host of Trypanosoma is housefly, CC fly, Culex, or sandfly? The answer is CC fly. 35. Trichocysts are found for the nutrition, defense, reproduction, or none of these. The trichocysts are they are found for the defense. 36. Protozoa reproduce by several methods. Which protozoan reproduce both by binary fission and conjugation? Amoeba, Euglena, Monocystis, or Paramecium? Answer is Paramecium. 37. In Paramecium, both conjugation and autogamy are sexual processes because of involvement of two individuals, fusion of two haploid nuclei, gene recombination, or rejuvenation. The answer is rejuvenation. 38. In amoeba, NH3 or ammonia is excreted by contractile vacuole, food vacuole, plasma lemma, or all of these. Amoebas excrete ammonia by plasma lemma. 39. Leishmania tropica causes sleeping sickness, kala azar, oriental sore, none of these. As we all know, Leishmania causes oriental sores. So, option 3. 40. Macro or micronuclei are the characteristic features of Paramecium and Vorticella, Opalina and Nyctothyrus, Hydra and Ballantidium, Vorticella and Plasmodium. And the answer is Paramecium and Vorticella. 41. A person suffering from malaria feels fever when RBC generally ruptured and hemozoin granules are released. X erythrocytic cycle is complete. Signet ring stage is formed. All of these. As we have discussed above or earlier, the RBCs when they get ruptured or hemozoins are released, then only the person suffering from malaria feels the fever. These all were the questions from the phylum Protozoans. Thank you.